et bienvenue à la 10e semaine, the 10th week. Welcome. Let's see what you will learn. You will learn to use vocabulary related to sports and leisure activities, to state how often you do these activities, to apply the correct intonation and pitch of voice in declarative sentences and questions, to use functional phrases for talking about leisure activities, to use the verb faire, as well as the most common idiomatic expressions with faire. We'll see there are a lot of them. And to conjugate verbs in IR, like sortir, partir, dormir, servir, sentir, et courir. Now, the idiomatic expressions with faire. If you're talking about an outdoor activity or sport, you will probably have to use the verb faire, which means, to do, to make, to do. So we have faire de l'aérobic, faire attention à. This is not a sport, of course. It means to pay attention to. Faire du camping, du cheval, de la cuisine. Faire la cuisine, this means to cook. And I want to bring your attention to this, actually. We don't have a verb in French for cooking, okay, to cook. So we have to say to do basically the kitchen. This is what it means. So if you translate it literally, which is a very bad translation, it means actually to cook. So if you want to say I'm cooking, I say je fais la cuisine. And then tu fais la cuisine, or il fait la cuisine, etc. And then, there are other activities that you need to describe using the verb faire, comme gym, promenade, which is a walk, du ski, du sport, en tour, du vélo, du jogging. One thing that you have to pay attention is some of these expressions use the preposition de. So you have to apply the rules of the preposition de. Remember that it contracts in front of the masculine singular article and the plural article. So you have to pay attention to that. And also, faire attention à, same thing. Remember that à contracts in front of masculine singular, becomes au, au, and plural, au, aux. And let's see, pay attention. For some reason, a lot of my students always confuse these two verbs, sentir et servir. Servir, you can tell from the root, serve, it means to serve. Sentir, it means to feel. Je me sens bien, I feel good. To sense or to smell. When I say ça sent bon, this smells good. Ça sent bon. So don't confuse these two verbs, please. Voilà, bonne semaine, merci.